Hi guys, welcome to a few days in my life. I'll be showing you lots of pretty nature videos, what I've been eating, and more. A Handel's ice cream shop opened up near my workplace, and the day before they opened, they gave free ice cream to everybody, so my cousins and I went and we got some free ice cream. I got butter pecan, and it was really yummy. My cousin made French fries and I made a cheese sauce to go along with it. It was really easy to make. I just combined melted butter, cheese, some flour, and milk. We watched a Tamil movie called Ponniyin Selvan 2 while eating. We went on a walk to a local park, and I tried to see beauty in the little things along the way. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please like and subscribe, and if you got all the way to the end, leave a flower emoji in the comments.